Good morning, my dear friends and students. I hope all are doing well and good. Welcome back to Ravi Math Space YouTube channel for math education. Myself, B. Ravi. Today we are going to learn and discuss the topic of how to find out the HCF and LCM of two or more numbers by using factorization method. And also we have to discuss the relation between HCF and LCM of its numbers. Okay, already how to find out the HCF and LCM of two numbers by using prime factorization method. In the previous video I explained and detailed. You can watch the videos, know the topic and continue this video. Then only you can understand the topic is very easy. Okay, now don't waste the time. Let's start the problem. Find HCF and LCM of 40, 36, 126 by using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Yes, can you tell me what is the first step here? What is the first step? First step is first to take the given numbers. What are the given numbers? 4, 36 and 126. After taking numbers, we have to find out the prime factorization of these numbers. How? By applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So, fundamental theorem of arithmetic I explained clearly and detailedly in the previous video. You can watch that video. I will provide the link in the description box. After watching the previous two videos, continue this video, then only you can understand the topic is very easy. Okay, now 40, 36, 126 prime factorization we have to find out. We have two methods are there. One is for factor tree method, another one is long division method. Now I am applying long division method. So 40 prime factorization, how to find out here? Now take the smallest prime number, that is 2. Now 40 is divisible by 2 when it is for 20s. Again take the smallest prime number, that is for 2. Again 20 is divisible by 2 when it is for 10s. So again smallest prime number take 2. 10 is divisible by 2 when it is for 5s. Now 5 is not divisible by 2. Take for next prime number, that is for 3. So 5 is not divisible by 3 also. So take next prime number, that is for 5. So 5 ones are 5. Now stop the process and write the prime factorization of 40. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. This I can write unique factorization, that is 2 is repeating 3 times, we can write 2 cube. So 5 is only one time, which is nothing but 5 power 1. Next similarly 36. So take the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 36 is divisible by 2 when it is for 18. Now 18 also divisible by 2 when it is for 9. So 9 is not divisible by 2. Take the next prime number 3. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3 when it is for 3 times. Again 3 is divisible by 3, which is for 1 time. So finally we got here 1. Now stop the process, write the prime factorization of 36, which is nothing but as a 2 into 2, 3 into 3. We can write unique factorization. 2 is repeating 2 times, which is nothing but 2 square. 3 is repeating 2 times, which is nothing but 3 square. Next 126. 126. So take the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 126 is divisible by 2 when it is for 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 63 times 126. Next one, 63 is not divisible by 2. Take the next smallest prime number, that is for 3. So when it is for 3 2s are 3 1s are. So 21 is divisible by 3 when it is for 7. 3 7s are 21. Next one is 7 is not divisible by 3. 7 is a prime number, itself is divisible. 7 1s are 7. Now take the prime factorization of 106, which is nothing but 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. I can write unique factorization 2 power 3 is repeating 2 times, that is 3 square. 7 is only one time repeating, means 7 power 1. Okay, next one is what here? Next we are going to apply the second step. What is the second step here? By using HCF and LCM formula, we have to find out the HCF and LCM. Okay, next find out the HCF. Find out the HCF. HCF is equal to what here? HCF is nothing but as a product of smallest power of each common prime factor involved in the number. Smallest power of each common prime factors. First we have to identify the what are the common factors in the numbers. Total we have a 3 numbers. Out of 3 numbers only we have only one common factor, that is for 3. Common means, remember, in the 3 number that prime factor should be exist, then only it is for common, otherwise no. So 2 is here will be there, here will be there, here will be there. 2 is common in 3 number, that's why it is for common number, only one number. But 3 also there, but it's only 2 numbers, so we can't take it is for common. Okay, yes. Next one is, so common number we identified. So each common prime number, only we have only one common number. So that common number smallest power we should take. That is going to be as a answer. What is the smallest power in this? In this smallest power, it is for 2 cube, it is for 2 square, it is for 2 power 1. It is the smallest power. That one we are going to consider, which is nothing but as a 2 power 1, which is 2. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 is a HCF of 40, 36, 126. It is for HCF. Come to LCM. Next one is HCF finish. Now, LCM. What is the meaning of LCM? Least common multiples. Its formula is product of largest power of each prime factors involved in the number. So this how to find out here. First we have to identify the how many prime factors involved in the number. How many prime factors? Prime factor means different prime factors. Remember, not for same, different prime factors. Now see here we have 3 numbers here. 40, 36, 126. In this prime factorization, how many different prime factors are there here? One is for 2, another different prime factor is 3, another different prime factor is 5, another different prime factor is 7. Total we have 4 different prime factors are there. What is 2, 3, 5, 7? Okay, that is the first step. In this next one is what we have to do here. Largest power of each prime factor. Total we have 4 prime factors are there. For in this largest power factor we should consider, we should take. So for first consider 2. What is the largest factor consist in there? 2 power 3. Take for 2 power 3. Next one is different prime number is 3. In this what is the largest power here? So 2 number having same power na, take for 1. That is the largest power, that is 3 square. Next one is 5. Only one number take as it is for 5 power 1. 7 also 1. 7 also 1. Now simplify this for 2 cube is equal to 8. Now 3 square is equal to 9. Now 7 5 is 35. 9 8 is 72 into 35. 72 into 35. Now multiply this one. What we are going to get? 72 into 35 here. 72 into 35. Where I have to? Okay. I am writing here. 72 into 35. 72 into 35. So 5 2s are 10 here. 5 7s are 35, 36. Now 3 2s are 6. 7 3s are 21. So 0 here, 12 here, 5, 2, 5. Total we got here 2520. How much? 2520. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2520. Like this, we have to find out the HCF and LCM by using prime factorization method. Very simple manner. First step is take the given numbers, find out the prime factorization. This prime factorization representing the unique factorization. It is for first step. Second step is what now? HCF and LCM we have to consider by using the formulas. This is the process of finding the HCF and LCM by using prime factorization method. Next topic is what here? Next topic is the relation between HCF and LCM of its number. What it is means, see. I hope understand the concept here. You have to practice based on this method more problem, your own problem you can understand here. So at last I will give some examples for homework. You can do that. Now next topic is the relation between two numbers and its HCF and LCM. Okay, what is the relation means? Once see here. Yes. The relation between numbers and their HCF and LCM is for any two positive integer. If I say A and B, so A and B, any two positive integers, the relation between these two numbers, meaning is A and B, and their HCF and LCM is what is now product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is equal to product of given two numbers. This is the relation. Very simple, we can say product of HCF and LCM is equal to given two numbers. Product of given two numbers. That is called as a relation between the HCF and LCM and their numbers. Okay. So this how we can simplify here. Product of HCF and LCM of A comma B is equal to product of numbers A comma B. How I can simplify? So product means multiplication. HCF of two numbers, meaning I can write HCF of two numbers. Next, LCM of two numbers, which is equal to product of two numbers, which is nothing but as A into B. It is for simplified manner. HCF of two numbers into LCM of two numbers is equal to A into B. So by using this relation, we can write some sub formulas. Suppose in the question they will give two numbers and LCM they will give. We have to find out the HCF. How to find out? By using this relation, we can write as a HCF is equal to product of two numbers by LCM of two numbers. This is the first relation to find the HCF if in the question they will mention two numbers as well as for LCM. Like this we can find out. Similar manner we can write the LCM also. LCM of AB is equal to product of two numbers by HCF of two numbers. These are the two sub formulas. Okay, based on this relation, we have to do some problems, some applications. One thing you should remember here, note for it is for this relation exists only two numbers, not for three. So only two numbers only, not for three numbers. Understand here? That point you have to keep in the mind. Application is find LCM and HCF of 84 and 90 and also verify its relation. Okay. First we will find out the HCF and LCM by using prime factorization method. Okay. How to find out HCF and LCM by using prime factorization method? Already I have explained in the previous video. You can watch that video and learn the concept. Okay. In that first step is take the given numbers. After taking given numbers, we have to find out the prime factorization of given number by using factor tree method or long division method. Now I am finding prime factorization by using long division method. In that, the procedure is, so take the smallest prime number 2. So 84 is divisible by 2. When it is 2 4s are 2 2s are. Similar manner, again 42 is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it is divisible when it is 2 2s are 2 1s are. So 21 is divisible by 2? No. Take the next prime number, that is 3. So when it is 3 7s are 21. Next, so 7 is a prime number, itself it is divisible, that's why I am taking direct 7, 7 1s are 7. Now the prime factorization of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So this I can write as in the form of unique factorization. In the form of unique factorization means how I can write here. So 2 into 2, which is nothing but 2 square. So 3 is one time repeating, 7 is one time repeating. So it is for unique factorization. Now 90. So for 90, how to find out the prime factorization by using long division method. So 90 is divisible by smallest prime number, that is 2. Yes, when it is for 45s, 2 45s are 90. Again 45 is divisible by 2? No. Take the next prime number, which is 3. Yes, 45 is divisible by 3. When it is for 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So 15 3s are 45 or 3 15s are 45. Again 15 is divisible by 3, take 3 only. When it is 3 5s are 15, 5 is a prime number, itself it's divisible. So what is the prime factorization of 90 now? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. What is the unique factorization here? 2 into 3 is repeating 2 times, 3 square, 5 is repeating 1 time. Yes or no? Yes. This is for first step of given two numbers finding the prime factorization. Next, second step. By using HCF and LCM formulas, we have to find out the HCF and LCM. So HCF formula is what here? Product of smallest power of each prime number involved in the number. That is the formula of a HCF. What is the meaning of here? See here. First we have to identify the, if you want to find out the HCF means how I am here applying the procedure, you also same procedure you have to apply. Listen concept and understand the concept. Okay. Now first we are going to identify the common factors. What are the common factors in this? See here. So in this 2 is a common factor. Yes or no? Here also 2 will be there. Here also 2 will be there. That's why it is for common factor. 3 also common factor. Why? Because here also, here also. Now 7 is a non-common factor. Why here 7 is not there? 5 also not common factor. Why? So 5 is not there. So that's why only we have a 2 common factors, that is 2 and 3. Common factors finding after. Next, for that common factors, we have to find out the smallest powers. We have to find out the smallest power. So first 2, for 2 we are checking. It is what is the smallest power? That is for 2 power 1. Take 2 power 1. Next one is in 3. That is for 3 power 1, which is for 3 power 1 as it is. Therefore, the LCM is equal to 2 into 3, which is nothing but as a 6. So HCF of 84 and 90 is 6. Otherwise 6 is a HCF of 84 and 90. Yes or no? Yes. Next one is LCM. What is the LCM formula? LCM formula you should remember. Already I told you have to remember the formula HCF and LCM. So LCM formula is nothing but as a product of greatest power of each prime factors involved in the number. Each prime factors. Then how to find out? See here. Procedure is what here. First LCM we are going to find out means first identify the how many different types of prime numbers are there in this. So here see 2 is a one prime number. 2 is a one prime number. Next different prime factor is what here? 3. Next one is what? 5. Next one is 7. Total we have a 4 different types of prime numbers are there here. Okay. So how many total different types? In that what we are going to take? Greatest power of each prime factor. Greatest power of each prime factor. Out of 4 factors, we should take the greatest power. Okay. First one is what here? First for 2 check out. In this 2, what is the greatest power here? 2 power 2, which is nothing but 2 square. 2 square is the greatest power for 2. For 3, 3 square is the greatest power consists. Next one is 5 power 1 only single only as it is take. Next one is 7 is as it is take. Now simplify it, what we are going to get now here. 2 power 2 square which is nothing but 4. 3 square which is nothing but 9. 5 power 1 is 5 only. 7 power 1 7 only. Now 9 4s are 36. 7 5s are 35. 36 into 35. Now multiply what we are going to get answer here. So 36 into 35. So 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15 plus 3 which is nothing but 18. Next one 3. 3 6 are 18. So 1 carry 3 is 9. So 1. So 10. So 0 16 2 1. So LCM is equal to 1260. It is for as a LCM of 84 and 90. 84 and 90. So here what we found here, HCF found and LCM we found. Next we have to verify the relation. We have to verify the relation. What is the relation here? What is the relation here? HCF of 2 number multiplied LCM of 2 number is equal to 2 numbers, product of 2 numbers. This is the, what is A and B? Here A and B represent only 2 numbers. In the question given 2 numbers, that is going to be as A. 84 is A, 90 is B. Okay. Now HCF of 84 comma 90 and LCM of 84 and comma 90 is equal to 2 number 84 multiplied 9. 84 multiplied 90. Okay, HCF of 84 and 90 is how much we got children here? So that is for 6. 6. Now LCM of 84 and 90, how much we got here? 12,060. So 12,060. Now these 2 numbers multiply 84 into 90. How much we are going to get? 84 into 90. So 0 0 9 4 is 36. 3 carry. 9 8 is 72 plus 3 75. Which is nothing but as a 7,560. So here we got 7,560. Now this multiply this one, what we are going to get now? Here 12,060 multiplied 6. 6 0 the 6 6 6 the 36. 3 carry 6 2 the 12 plus 3 15. 6 1 the 6 plus 7. So 7,560. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to the verified relation. Verified relation. Understand here? This is the question of answers. I hope understand the first applications based on the relation of HCF and LCM and numbers. Next applications are, see this second one is, if HCF of two numbers is 2 and their product is 120, find their LCM. It is for second application. Now come to third application. The HCF of two numbers A and B is 5 and their LCM is 200. Find the product of two numbers, that is AB. Now how to solve this means, see, one by one I will explain clearly. Now understand the proper, listen careful, understand the concept, and you can do the problem easily. Okay. First, see, remember, first we have to write the given values. We have to write the given values. If HCF of two numbers, meaning is here two numbers are not given, na? Consider two numbers are A and B. Now let two numbers are, what it is, A and B. A and B. Two numbers are A and B. Okay. Next one is what given? Two numbers, HCF is 2. Meaning is what here? Therefore, HCF of two numbers, what are here? Not given now. We are considering A comma B is equal to 2. So HCF is given. Next one is their product. Meaning is number product. So product means, what are the numbers here? We assume here A into B is equal to 120. A into B is equal to 120. So what we are going to find out here? LCM. LCM of A into B is equal to question mark. So LCM we are going to find out here. Okay. These are the given values. Already we know the relation. What is relation here? We know, I am writing short here. We know relation, product of HCF of two number, product of HCF of two number and LCM of two number is equal to product of two numbers. This is the relation of the given numbers. Now here given values here substitute and to find out the answer. Okay. See here HCF. What is given HCF here? HCF value. HCF of two number. What is here? 2. LCM of two number not given as it is, right? And also given in the question A into B, which is product of two number. Which product of two number? How much given directly here? 120. Okay. Therefore, LCM I want na. This LCM we want means transport that side. LCM of A comma B is equal to 120 by 2. 120 by 2. Now cancelize. We are going to get 60. Therefore, LCM of two number A comma B is equal to 60. This is the answer of that. Understand how to find out here. Just understand the question means in the question only answer will be there. If you understand, analyze the question, so we can write the very easy. Understand? Okay. Please thoroughly practice the questions. Understand here. Okay. It is for as a LCM. Came here. Next question is what here? See. HCF of two number A and B is 5 and their LCM is 200. Find the product of AB. Meaning is question in this compare here. What are the given here? First given values right here. What are the given values here in the question? For HCF of two numbers. Meaning is HCF given. What are the two numbers here? A and B, which is equal to 5. Next LCM given. So LCM of two numbers. What are the two numbers? comma B. That is nothing but as a 200. What we are going to find out? Product of two numbers. Meaning is product. Multiplication of two numbers. We should calculate. This is for a question mark. So by how to calculate? By using the relation. What is the relation here? See here. HCF of two number multiplied LCM of two number equal to product of two number. Product of two number. Now substitute the given values here and to simplify it. What are the given? HCF of two number. HCF of two number, which is nothing but 5. LCM of two number. How much here? 200 is equal to what we are going to calculate? A into B. So that only AB value we are going to calculate. Just to multiply this one, you will get answer. So 5 to the 10 means which is nothing but as a 1000. Therefore, product of two number is equal to how much it is for 1000. Understand here concept here. See, question if you understand the properly means, so we can do the simplification very easy. Understand here. That's why in the examination of point of view question you have to read once, twice, analyze the situation, write the given value. After how to do the procedure one by one if you do means automatically we can easily simplify the problems. Understand here. Next two applications are, that is fourth one. If the HCF of 35 and 45 is 5, LCM of 35 and 45 is 63 into A, then find the value of A. This is for one application. Next one is, if two positive integer A and B are written as A is equal to x cube into y cube and B is equal to xy cube, where x and y are prime numbers, find the HCF and LCM of A and B. This is for very most important in the examination of point of view. Okay, how to simplify here? Listen careful, understand the concept here. Okay, first write the given values here. What are the given? HCF of 35 and 45 is 5. Meaning is HCF of 35 comma 45 is how much is equal to how much here? 5. Next one is LCM of 35 comma 45 is equal to 33 into A. 33 into A. Then find the value of A. Here given two numbers are what here? Given two numbers are what here? Two numbers are what are? A is equal to first number 35, B is equal to 45. Yes or no? Yes. By using the relation, we are going to find out the A value. Okay. Now, what is the relation here? We know that relation. What is the relation? HCF of a two number multiplied LCM of two number is equal to product of two number. This is what is the relation here? HCF of A comma B into LCM of A comma B is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two. Now substitute in the HCF of two numbers. HCF of two numbers means how much came here? See, that is for 5. Next one is LCM of two numbers. How much it is? 63 into A. Now product of two numbers. What are the two numbers here? First number is A value 35. Second number B value is 45. Now what we are going to find out here? Value of A. This value we have to find out here. What we should do here? Very simple. When we have to find out this value means we have to keep it is for as a individual, meaning is as a subject. A as a subject we have to keep. Remaining we have to send that side. Meaning is what here see. A I am keeping like this 35 and 45. If I send these two numbers that side means it is going to be as a division, transporting. So why? Because the operation of these two numbers are multiplication. When we transport means it become as a division. That is the rules of transposition. So 5 into 63. So division came here. Now divide for this one. Okay. 5 on the 5 9s the. Next one is 9 1 the 9 7 the. 9 7 the 63. Again 7 1 the 7 5 the. After cancellation, after what we are going to get totally, A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Meaning is, what is the noun? A is equal to 5. This is for unknown value here. If you want the LCM means, what you should do? 63 into 5. You will get the LCM. You will get the LCM. Understand here? Okay. This is the process of this question. Next question come here. What is the next question here? We are going to find out the HCF and LCM. Here they only written what form? Unique factorization of each number. A is a one number. Already it is in the form of unique factorization. Here only mentioned x and y are prime numbers. Meaning is it is the product of prime numbers. It is in the form of powers and exponents. So x cube, y cube. Next one is for b. Another number, it is x, y cube. Now what we are going to find out here? HCF. HCF. What is the formula HCF? Product of smallest power of each common factor involved in the number. That is the formula HCF. Okay, first common factors here. X is common factor, y is common factor. Yes or no? Now for x, in this what is the smallest power here? So this one. That's why I am writing smallest power. Next, what is the y terms? Smallest power is, here both are same will be there na? One same power you should consider, one variable. That is nothing but x y cube. Now if I multiply means we are going to get x y cube. This is the HCF. It is the HCF. Understand here? Next to take for LCM. LCM. What is the formula of LCM is equal to here? Product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. Total how many prime factors are here? 2 prime factors. What is for x? Another for this y here. Greatest power for each prime factor. If I take for x means x consists greatest power, that is for cube. So we can take x cube. And y greatest power is 3. So take for as it is 3. Therefore LCM is equal to answering x cube into y cube. This is for other HCF and LCM in terms of variables. In terms of variables. Very most important in the examination of point of view. Maximum this type of questions you will get 1 mark question or 2 mark questions. I hope all are understand the concept clearly. If you understand the concept, please do subscribe and share my channel to your friends. While doing any mistakes I done means please excuse. In the next video I will cover that mistakes. Thank you. Signing off.